Hello, I started video blog to talk my life every week. I think will be fun and help me practice my English. It is also a way to push myself to learn faster. If you like weekly updates about someone's life, you are in the right place. Now let me tell you about me. My name's Akadil. I live in Astana, Kazakhstan, and I work as a history teacher. My job keeps me busy, but I have free time. I like to watch movies, read books, and join debates. I also have debate club in school. It's always interesting. I also like setting goals and staying productive. I use something called the Eisenhower matrix to organize my time. Maybe I'll tell you more about it in the next videos, next vlog, if you want. And do not think my English is very good. I worked in this text for a long time and used translators a lot. My teacher does not like that, but I need more practice. I hope one day I can speak without translators and interpreters and understand English fully. Thank you for watching. See you next week.